Is your car struggling to start? It might be time to replace your battery. In today's video, we'll show you the top signs that your car battery is dying and needs to be replaced. But before we continue, hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell to be the first to know when a video dropped. Let us get started. Your car battery is one of the most essential parts of your vehicle. It supplies the electrical power needed to start the engine and run the car's electronics. But, like all things, it doesn't last forever. Here are 5 key ways to know when your car battery needs to be replaced, with detailed explanations for each sign. Number 1. Slow engine crank. When you turn the key or press the start button, your engine should start relatively quickly. Suppose you notice the engine cranking more slowly than usual, or hesitating before starting. In that case, it's often a sign that your battery is struggling to supply enough power to the starter motor. This is typically one of the first indicators of a failing battery. The sluggishness happens because the battery's chemical reaction, which generates power, weakens over time, especially in cold weather. If left unchecked, the battery may soon be too weak to start the engine, leaving you stranded. If you frequently experience a slow crank, it's time to test your battery. Most auto parts stores or mechanics offer this service for free. Number 2. Dashboard warning light. Most modern vehicles have a battery-shaped indicator on the dashboard that lights up when there's a problem with the battery or the charging system. When this light comes on, it's an early warning that your battery may not be charging correctly. This could be due to a dying battery, an issue with the alternator, or a problem with the electrical system. It's important not to ignore this light, as it signals that the battery may fail soon, potentially leading to the car stalling or refusing to start. Don't ignore dashboard warning lights. Have your vehicle checked to diagnose whether it's a battery issue or a problem with another component in the electrical system. Number 3. Dim headlights and electrical issues. Your car's electrical components, including the headlights, rely on the battery for power. If the battery is weakening, you may notice that your headlights are dimmer than usual or that interior lights flicker when you start the car. The car's radio, power windows, or dashboard electronics may malfunction or reset. This happens because a weak battery cannot provide sufficient voltage to power the electrical systems in the car, causing them to operate inconsistently. If you're experiencing these issues, it's time to have your battery tested and, if necessary, replaced. If you notice these signs, especially at night when you're relying on your headlights, have your battery tested. Electrical issues could also stem from problems with the alternator, so a thorough diagnosis is recommended. Number 4. Corrosion. Around battery terminals, corrosion around the battery terminals is a sign of acid leakage from the battery. This white, powdery substance can cause poor electrical connections between the battery and the cables, reducing the battery's ability to deliver power to the car. Corrosion usually forms over time due to the chemical reactions within the battery, especially in older batteries. While cleaning the terminals can temporarily restore a good connection, the buildup of corrosion is often a sign that the battery is deteriorating and nearing the end of its life. If you notice corrosion, clean it off using a mixture of baking soda and water with a wire brush. However, if the corrosion is excessive or returns quickly, it may indicate the battery is leaking and should be replaced. Number 5. Age of the battery. The average lifespan of a car battery is between 3 to 5 years. As the battery ages, its ability to hold a charge diminishes and becomes less reliable. If your battery is over 3 years old, consider having it tested annually, even if you haven't noticed any problems yet. Batteries naturally lose their capacity due to the chemical aging process inside, and environmental factors like extreme heat or cold can shorten their lifespan. Replacing an aging battery before it completely fails can prevent unexpected breakdowns and save you from being stranded. Check the age of your battery. The manufacture date is usually stamped on the battery case. If it's older than 3 years, have it tested annually and replace it around the 5-year mark to avoid unexpected failures. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, like, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.